Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by neutralizing the usual setup. Remove the most obvious distractions and keep your device notifications off. Next, pick one concrete task and start a 25-minute focus block. This gives your mind structure. Use an anchor routine so you can shift quickly. Take 3 slow breaths, look at a replaced visual cue, and say a short task intent aloud. This sequence interrupts wandering automatically and primes attention for work, making it easier to resist the first urge to drift. Once you're in motion, keep momentum by reducing friction for your attention. Split the task into micro steps of 5 to 10 minutes so progress feels continuous. Complete one micro step, then check a quick physical cue to reward completion. If your mind wanders, jot a one-line distraction note and return immediately. This trains recognition without indulging the fantasy. Make environmental tweaks like soft soundscapes or a textured object to ground you. These sensory anchors reinforce focus over longer sessions. To close a session, do a short review. Note one achieved micro-step, define the next specific action, and name how you felt during focus. This reflection cements gains and makes restarting easier. If daydreaming keeps sabotaging progress, reduce block length to 10 or 15 minutes and add more anchors like tactile resets or scheduled breaks. Make one weekly recalibration where you drop low-value tasks and intentionally celebrate a small win. This prevents drift from becoming a habit and restores long-term momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.